Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the August Alley men's baggy casual capri pants. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, try them on, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get these out of the box, show you what they look like up close. Good waistband. Deep pockets are decent size here. Drawstring is pretty standard. Does not have any points at the end, just so you know. Size-wise, I want to just share with you, I got a size large. These are 5% spandex, 15% cotton, 80% polyester. I'm a 33 waist. I'm 6'1", 165 pounds. So when we go and kind of walk you through sizing or like trying them on, you'll have a good understanding. A little bit of stretch. So just testing out a look and feel here. The black, similar, and then a darker gray. Again, you can see the fabric up close. We'll get these washed, tried on, and take it from there. All right, so showing you with the drawstring untied on these and trying to give you an idea of the vibe here is they're, again, going to be longer than the knee intentionally. But they feel real good, very comfortable. I'm going to show you the other two colors as well. Very comfortable, showing you with the drawstring tied up. Length comfortable. Everything is nice and loose. And here's the final pair. Honestly, like I'm going to say Michigan basketball 1990s length is the best way to kind of describe this length. They're obviously not as baggy as those were, but very comfortable. So hopefully this review helps you. Thanks for watching.